Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful mesh stitch cardigan. For this cardigan I used 50 grams of medium weight milk cotton yarn and a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. You'll also need a tape measure, a scissor and some stitch markers. We are going to start by making a slip knot. Then we are going to make our starting chains. For this cardigan, I'm making a starting chain equivalent to 21 inches for a medium size cardigan. I will include the size chart for the other sizes so you can adjust accordingly. For row 1, we are going to skip 3 chains and make a double crochet in the 4th chain. Chain 3, skip 3 and make a double crochet in the 4th chain. Chain 3, make a double crochet in the 4th chain. Chain 3, skip 3, make a double crochet in the 4th chain. We'll do that all the way to the end of the row. Chain 3, skip 3, make a double crochet in the 4th chain. I'm at the end of the row and we are going to make our last double crochet. You can see we still have some chains remaining, so we're just going to make another double crochet. Chain 3 and turn your work. Where we have a double crochet, we are going to make another double crochet. Chain 3, for row 2 we will be making a double crochet where we have a double crochet and chaining 3, 1 2 3, then make a double crochet where you have a double crochet. Chain 3, make a double crochet all the way to the end of the row. Chain 3, make a double crochet where we have a double crochet. We'll keep repeating the same pattern all the way to the end of each row until you reach your desired cardigan length. I'll repeat row 1 and row 2. They're basically the same thing. Here is my back panel and it's 23 inches wide and 45 inches long. Here is a little bit of math of how I calculated my panels. For neckline, it can be 7 inches or 8 inches. Minus that to the size of your back panel and then divide by 2. My front panels are 8 inches wide and 45 inches long. My sleeves are 12.5 inches wide and 18.5 inches long. As you can see, we have 2 double crochet along the edges of each panels. So what we are going to do is work a single crochet all the way around to give it a neat finished look. It's not a must to do it, but if you want your cardigan to look amazing, you can put some single crochet on the edges of the cardigan. For this, I had to reduce my hook size to a smaller crochet hook. We are going to attach our yarn. We will make 2 single crochet into each chain space. Remember, we are working on the edges of the cardigan. I said it's not a must for you to do it, but if you feel like you want a neat look, you can make the single crochets at the edge, all around the panel, all around. You'll continue working single crochet all the way around the panel, also along the top and bottom edges of the panels. Remember, you also do this with the front panels and the sleeves. For the bottom edges and the top edges of the panels, we will be working 2 single crochet in the chain space and 1 single crochet in the double crochet part. 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet. We are doing this for the only at the bottom and the top edges of the panels. We are then going to join the front panels to the back panel. Before joining them together, we will count the mesh stitch boxes on both the front panel and the back panel. I have 16 boxes on my front panel, so we will count 16 boxes on the back panel and place a stitch marker. You can also use a tape measure, but keep in mind this stitch stretches, so the measurement may not always be exact. My sleeves are 22 inches, so I'm going to put a stitch marker at the middle point. We'll align the center of the sleeve with the front and back panels and secure them with a stitch marker. One side of the sleeves will be joined to the front panel and the other side will be joined to the back panel. Okay, so as you can see, I have laid down all the panels, so we are just going to sew in the sleeves onto the back and the front panel. Yeah, I've got my middle point. We'll then join the sleeves to the front and back panel. First we'll attach our yarn. And we'll be using single crochets to join them together. Yeah, single crochet. I'm done joining the sleeves to the panel, and this is how it looks. We'll then join the front and back panels together. We are still using the single crochet to join them together. We are joining the edges of the front and back panels together. We'll join the panels from the bottom of the cardigan to the underarm area. When we reach the underarm of the cardigan, we'll place an extra single crochet right at the corner as we join the pieces together. There we have it. That's the finished cardigan. If you didn't understand anything, feel free to ask in the comment section and I'll be ready to help.